Baby, don't tell nobody. Yeah, I know what you're saying is the truth.
Today, I am going to be showing y'all this nice blue teal makeup look. Orange in a crease. As y'all know, I've been a gloss girl lately, but today I decided to do matte and I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you wanna know how I got this look, then just keep watching, y'all. I'm just not good with eyeshadows, but I'm getting better. And I think for like a person who don't do eyeshadow that much, I think I did a good job. So let's get into the tutorial. First, I'm gonna put some Aquaphor on my lips because I think I'm gonna wear a matte lipstick today, which I haven't worn a matte lipstick in a long time. So I'm going to do my brows first. I always start off with brows and I just find it's much easier to do. So first I'm gonna just brush up my eyebrows. Now I got the next eyebrow, but yeah, I never know what look I'm going for, y'all. I just be doing stuff. So I'm gonna use this primer, the Maybelline Baby Skin one. I don't have to shake this up, I'm tripping. I always use the NYX one, but whew, I always use the NYX one, but I want to use this one today because I like this foundation, but like after a couple hours of wearing it, it turns like ashy, make my face look really ashy. So I don't know if it's just the matte primer I'm using or what. So I'm gonna try to use a different primer and see how it does. The NYX primer that I use with that one, it does make your face like white when you first put it on. But with any other foundation that I've used, it hasn't made my face look ashy. So yeah, now I'm about to just see, like, is it the primer that just don't go with the foundation, or it's just the foundation in general, like it just doesn't work for me. Alright, so this is my CoverGirl Vitalisse Healthy Foundation. It looks light right now, but it does oxidize it. It looks so crazy, but I promise it's gonna look better. So now I'm gonna use my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. This is the face and body one. It's damped and cleaned. Y'all really look crazy right now, but I promise, just stay with me. Please, just stay with me, please. It looks crazy, but it won't look crazy for long, okay? I'm gonna put on my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. I'm just gonna put a very little bit of this under my eyes. Right, and then I'm gonna put some of this side. Ooh. And then I'm going to add the color Fawn. I'm gonna apply this one. I'm gonna apply the color Fawn with my NYX applicator. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques sponge again. I'm gonna use a clean side because this side is the side I use for the foundation. I'm gonna set under my eyes with my Airspun translucent powder in the color Honey Beige. I'm gonna put Pure Beige on my eyelids. Oh, a little bit. Yeah, I did not think that was gonna come out that much. And I'm gonna just blend it out. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. When I used to put concealer on my eyelids, I used to not set my eyelids with translucent powder. Just because, like, I just always thought that looked pretty, like, better. I just thought that it was like that the colors came out prettier and this and that. So I think I might give that a try. All right, my eyes are, just dropped my eyeliner. I just dropped my eyebrow brush. Oh my gosh, I look, I don't know what look I'm going for. But I'm gonna use my Beauty Treats 8-8 Professional palette. I feel like I use the same palette, y'all, but that's because I don't have any palettes like that. I don't buy makeup palettes. Oh, I do buy makeup palettes. I don't buy eyeshadow palettes because I never do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this color. I kind of feel like this brush is making it look weird, so hold on, we're gonna switch brushes real quick though. I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow in here, the black matte eyeshadow. It's super dark. And I'm gonna just like put it right here, like in the edge. I want this look to kind of be dark too. All right, I think I'm gonna dust off this. I'm gonna just keep it on there, but I kind of want to dust this off of my face because I don't like leaving on translucent powder for that long. But I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna take that teal color. Let me see if it's gonna be pigmented regardless. It's a shimmer. Oh yes, look at that. I'm gonna use glitter glue, even though it's not a glitter. I'm gonna just use glitter glue. I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue and I'm just gonna carve out. All right, now I'm gonna take that color and just put that all over my lid. Dry. I'm not gonna put it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see that color payoff? Please tell me y'all see that. Oh, but that fall out. It's okay. It's on the powder, so I'm glad I did wipe it off. All right. I still have on this powder, which I don't know why I still have on this powder. I have to use the restroom. That's probably why I still have it on. But oh my gosh. I'm gonna dust off this powder, y'all, to fix my eyebrow too, because it kind of look faded off. But next, I hope I have my Kiko eyeshadow in here because I want to use that highlighter. I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder and just set the rest of my face because I didn't set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder, but just in a darker shade this time, and use it to contour. All right, now I'm gonna take that orange shade out of the palette that I use in my crease. Oh shoot. That I use in my crease and just take it with a small little brush and just put that down here. I'm gonna take a little, like a dab of the black color, y'all. I'm gonna use my navy eyeliner in the color black. I love this eyeliner. It's only like $1. I'm gonna put on some bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and do highlight. So for highlighter, I think I need to use gold, y'all. But I feel like this Kiko one looks so good with, oh, my eyes look dark. This is the Kiko eyeshadow in the color 200, but they say that you can use it as a highlighter. So let's see. I feel like the nose look good with a highlighter. So I'm gonna just take off a lot of that and just like add a little bit. Oh no, this one look good. This one look good. Yeah, I'm just gonna put, I know what it is. I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna put this in my inner tear duct as well. Oh, it's kind of like, it kind of looks, it's kind of looking blue, like a blue highlighter because it's mixing with the teal color. So I actually really like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. So I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. Okay, I think that's all with my face. Now I'm gonna just fix my brows up, y'all. All right, I'm gonna take my MAC lip liner in the color Cork. I'm gonna take my Sephora lip stain in the color 2, color number 2. I don't think they have this one anymore though, because I went on the site. I used it in my last tutorial and I was trying to get like the exact name for y'all, but the number 2 on the site does not look like this one, so, or unless it do and I was just tripping, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna add some more brown in this thing. And that's why I don't add a lot of lip liner in the beginning, because all you have to do is just like build it up. But a person who don't do eyeshadow, I think I did a good job. I think I did a pretty decent job. A little bit over decent. Am I pushing it? Maybe I'm pushing it. Yeah, I'm about to do my hair now. How long this is? I'm feeling it, but make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Snapchat and on Twitter. I'm still new to Twitter, but as I said in my last video, I want to start getting better, getting like active on Twitter. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter at Blaican, and follow me on, add me on Snapchat at ASTLEYJ. It'll be right here, right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye guys.